Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the maintenance page content, as well as I also show you how you can enable maintenance mode for your user from the admin panel in Xilancer Marketplace Platform. Let's go to admin panel, scroll down, go to general settings, click on basic settings. Here you will find a button named maintenance mode. Click on enable it, click on update changes. Now back to the website, reload the page. You will not see the maintenance mode unless you log out from the admin panel. So let us log out from admin panel and now reload the page. Here you can see the maintenance page is showing. So now I will show you how you can change this content from the admin panel. Let's log in again. Scroll down, go to the pages settings, click on the manage maintenance page. Here it is. You can add a maintenance mode image. You can change the maintenance mode title from here. Once your changes is done, you can just click on the update. It will reflect immediately in the maintenance page. I hope now you can understand how you can change the maintenance page content from the admin panel for Xilancer Freelancer Marketplace Platform. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.